Heading into the mountain on a winter advisory in the middle of April seems very odd. I don't know if I even brought the right equipment to even get myself out of this situation, but we're gonna find out. Well, I'm out here in Lytle Creek, and I gotta say this is really beautiful right now. It's snowing in the middle of April. It's just a great getaway considering this is only about 30 minutes from my house. If you're in the area of Lytle Creek, I would suggest coming out here, especially when it's not a weekend. But it is absolutely stunning. So I'm gonna get some grub on, and then I'm gonna head out of here and head to work. Leaving a majestic place that is so close to home to clear my soul is something I cannot take for granted. As always, I will see you on the next adventure.